Ang ganda, parang sa ibang bansa, yung parang sa Europe. Guys, ang ganda nito, oh. Piniserve nila. Wow, amazing. Okay guys, we are outside of the palace and I saw the statue of the king, the highness of Marahau Sri Pragmo G the third of Koch.
He is from the Jadeja dynasty. And this is the Pragma.
And this is the Prag Mahal. So Prag Mahal is 1869.
1869 AD.
So this is the
Maharaja Jagiraj Mirza.
Maharaja. So now guys, we are here inside the Prahag Mahal. So this is the stairs. So we're going inside and look at the ceiling guys. Wow, amazing. And look at this one. Wow. Guapo. Yeah. Very nice. The structures, the design. See? Really awesome. Yeah, okay, let's go. Go. We go inside, guys. Tara. So guys, we are already the main inside. So see, I observe there is a what do you call this one, chair. And the ceiling, the design of the ceiling is very nice. So there is a chandelier here, and there's also stop, like maybe they are just guiding for the tourists who come here to visit. So what is this?
Yeah, real lion.
Lion.
This is the dress. This is the dress of the royal family.
So this is the dress of the royal family they preserve. This is the dress of the queen, and this is the dress of the queen. Yeah. It's really nice that the new generation can observe or see these clothes for the queen. And this place is very quiet. Yeah, no one here. So I've observed also there is a big vase, porcelain vase. And the other one on the right side. Ang buot-buot, ang lahok ng bana, oh. Yeah. So this is the inside. So guys, they preserve the old coins here. And the clothes of the king. So this is the clothes of the king. So it is an honor to see the clothes of the king. So let's go. So guys, when I go here in the other room, there is a palki. So where is the queen and the king carry? So one and the other one for the king and queen, and there is also deer at the wall. See? So yes, and one thing is,
This the palki means
so guys, after the palki, where the kung kinikere nila ba yung binubuhat nila yung king and queen before, so yun ginagamit nila. Tapos there's also have old cabinet here, maybe the king and queen using before the old times.
so
And
animals hunted.
there is a guys. So ito sa sinauna pa, they preserve this one. So it's very amazing to come here, to visit here. So this is the trunk where the things of the king and queen keep it, all the stuff before. So yes, I saw this small one for my old grandparents before. So guys, this is the queen and this is the king. So the queen is very beautiful, see? And this is the king. So
It's a peacock chamber to pray to the goddess.
this is the tradition where they pray the goddess. The goddess.
This is the car.
So guys, I see, observe, this is the car that the queen using before. So ito yung ginagamit nila na car.
Jewelry box.
So guys, this is Marani Sherry Priti Devi. So means she's a queen. So this is her wardrobe. This is the mirror that she's using before. So it's still preserved. Maharani.
Dressing table.
Dressing table.
Yeah.
So this is the dressing table that she used before.
Yeah. And there are clothes.
And
Old clothes.
also this is the clothes of the queen.
So let's go another side. So guys, we are going upstairs from Prag Mahal. ये जो सीढ़ियाँ हैं यहाँ से चढ़ के हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको सीढ़ियाँ दिखाता हूँ यहाँ की.
So, akyat muna kami sa taas, guys. Tingnan natin kung
We're
ano
going upstairs.
nasa taas. So guys, after this, we go here. So there is a clock tower. Tara! Yay! So guys, maganda dito. See? And the view of the palace. So guys, this is the top. So from the top, makita natin yung clock. Tower clock. And then from the other side, makita natin yung Ana Mahal. Yes. So may shop doon ng mga collection nila, yung ancient coins. And the other side, also maganda dito, guys. See? The mountain and the structures, the design. So para na tayo sa Italy.
Burjo Hills.
Burjo.
Burjo Hills.
Burjo Hills.
Yes.
This one.
So you can see the whole.
So guys, ito yung design sa other side. Ito yung design sa other side. And ang daming dab dito guys. So nakakaaliw yung tawag dito, ang view dito. So punta kayo dito sa taas, after sa other side, dito sa clock tower, para makita nyo itong view na to. Pwede kayo mag picture dito kasi wala namang tao. See? Oh, amazing. So I'm very happy to visit this place, the palace of the king and queen of the Kots. So guys, this is the stairs. We are going downstairs from Anhimil. So we're going to opposite side kasi yung sa front side pang-akyat lang sila, just only for the entrance, and if you go exit going down, we go to opposite side. Parang nakakatakot siya guys. Very nice. So yes, finally we are here downstairs. Yeah, very nice view. So guys, we are going out of Pragmahal booth and Burj. So that's all for this what they call that, Pragmahal Burj. So yes guys, that's our for today.